legalize medical marijuana and whether it should be legislation or ballot issue?
At least the last I heard from the governor, I mean, I think his position has still been what it's been, which is the medical professionals really need to make that decision. And I know in conversations or any policy item that we've discussed, if it relates to the medical profession, I know he talks to the doctors, he talks to the providers, he talks to those providing the care to find out if it's the right decision or not. I don't think that's changed from his perspective. I've never had the conversation with him about whether it be the legislature or a vote of the people. I'm not sure he has a preference, so I really am not going to say. I don't know that for a fact.
Do you have a preference?
I'm sorry?
Do you have a preference whether it should be legislative?
I haven't thought a whole lot about that piece of it, to be honest with you. I mean, I kind of stand in the same position the governor does as far as whether or not it's time to move forward with medical marijuana. I've had meetings with parents advocating for legalizing medical marijuana because of the relief they believe it brings to their children, and those are heart-wrenching stories. And I think we have to rely on the medical community to speak about whether or not it's a tool that they believe is necessary to treat the illnesses that are treated with medical marijuana. And I mean, I will tell you, I've said this before as a mom, I mean, I worry about, is it a gateway drug, and where does it lead in the future? And I don't know personally if we've had those kinds of questions answered appropriately. As far as whether or not it's legislative or ballot, I'm not afraid. I wouldn't be afraid of either. I have no problem letting the people of the state of Ohio vote on an initiative that is as important as this one. But I don't like taking away legislative authority either. I served there once.
Lieutenant Governor,